Credit card sign-up bonus offers are the #1 way to earn an insane amount of points and cash back in a short amount of time. So in this video, we'll be breaking down the highest historical max welcome bonus offers in the credit card world that'll benefit both the beginners and veterans to help you put more points in your pocket throughout the new year. And as always, if you like this type of content and want to see more of it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and with that, let's get right into it. Let's first talk about the 2 historical max welcome bonus offers that is expected to leave on January 18th, 2024, and that's the 90,000 ultimate reward point offer after spending $6,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening for the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited and Business Cash credit cards. And while you might think that you need a business in order to apply for these cards, that's actually a myth. Take myself for example. I applied for the Inc. Business Unlimited, and while I do run a YouTube channel, it's not a legitimate business yet. So instead, I used my social security number that I use for any other normal credit card application, applied for the card, and got accepted. The only rule with either card is the fact that they are Chase credit cards, so you'll have to be under the 524 rule, but other than that, there shouldn't be any problems. For the Inc. Business Unlimited, it's similar to the Freedom Flex, where it earns 1.5% cash back on all purchases you ever make with the card. While for the Inc. Business Cash, it's 5% cash back on the first $25,000 spent in combined spending on office supply stores and internet, cable, and phone services each year, and then 2% back on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at gas stations and restaurants each year. Additionally, both cards do offer 5% back on Lyft rides through March 2025. If you're looking to capitalize on earning more ultimate reward points, or just simply looking for a new business credit card, I highly recommend that you consider any of these cards before it's too late, and both are no annual fee cards. Another too good to be true pair of welcome bonus offers definitely have to be for the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit cards. Both are offering 20,000 ultimate reward points after spending $500 within the first 3 months of account opening, and 5% back on gas and grocery store spending for the first year with a spending cap of $12,000. If you're thinking of getting either card, I definitely recommend that you do it now, considering that other limited time offers for Chase products are expiring on January 18th. So I wouldn't be surprised to see these offers expire shortly after as well. With that being said, securing 5% back on groceries and gas for your first year is an extremely good deal when you consider the other offers that these 2 cards have had in the past. Back in the day when I personally applied for the Chase Freedom Flex, I got a similar offer but without the 5% back on groceries. Others have gotten offers for the simple 20,000 ultimate reward points after spending $500, and others have gotten a similar offer to what I got for replacing gas with groceries. Never in its existence has the Freedom Flex or the Freedom Unlimited ever offered both 5% back on gas and groceries, and I can definitely expect them to never have this good of an offer ever again. That being said, the only issue with these 2 cards is the fact that you do need to be below the Chase 524 status, so if you're someone who is under that, I implore you to get one of these cards ASAP. There's also no card in existence currently that offers 5% back on gas and groceries. And speaking of limited time welcome bonus offers that are about to expire, the trio of Hilton Honors co-branded credit cards with American Express is expected to expire on January 17th. For the Hilton Honors card, which is a no annual fee card, the limited time welcome bonus offer is 100,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after spending $2,000 within the first 6 months of account opening. For the Hilton Honors Surpass card, which is a $150 annual fee card, the limited time welcome bonus offer is 170,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after spending $3,000 within the first 6 months of account opening. And for the Hilton Honors Aspire credit card, which is a $550 annual fee card and the most expensive of the bunch, the limited time welcome bonus offer is 180,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after spending $6,000 within the first 6 months of account opening. And to just briefly take a crack at what these hotel credit cards offer, for the Hilton Honors Aspire, it offers complimentary Hilton Diamond status, which is the highest status you can earn with Hilton. And with this status comes perks like 100% bonus on base points you earn on every stay, premium Wi-Fi and space available room upgrades at select properties, executive lounge access, and more. Additionally, this card also offers a $400 Hilton Resort credit, free night reward, $200 flight credit, and much more. If you need a foolproof strategy to capitalize on earning a bunch of Hilton Honors points, my good friend Stan the Credit Frog made a pretty amazing video explaining just that, so I'll leave a link down in the descriptions down below. I'm definitely eyeing the Hilton Honors Aspire credit card for myself due to the nature of my work, so definitely make sure to keep an eye out for a watch me apply video in the future. Next, it's the weird welcome bonus offers for the American Express Gold and the American Express Platinum credit cards. If you take a look at the credit cards web pages, you'll notice that for both cards, there isn't a guaranteed set amount for the respective offers. For the Gold card, it's an earn up to 90,000 membership reward point offer, and for the Platinum card, it's a earn up to 150,000 membership reward point offer, which is actually kind of bizarre to look at considering for the most part, most credit cards have a set welcome bonus offer. If you're not too keen on rolling the dice to see if you get a decent welcome bonus offer, there's always the Resi route that you could go for. Resi, which is owned by American Express, has unique welcome bonus offers geared towards dining for the Gold card, Platinum card, and even the Blue Cash Everyday cards, with the Gold offering a set 75,000 membership reward point welcome bonus offer after spending $6,000 within the first 6 months of account opening, plus a 20% back statement credit on restaurant purchases worldwide in the first 12 months of account membership for up to a total of $250 back, which is $1,250 in restaurant spending to maximize on this part. For the Platinum card, it's a 100,000 membership reward point offer after spending $8,000 on purchases within the first 6 months of account opening, plus an additional 10x back on restaurants worldwide for up to $25,000 in eligible spending for the first 6 months of account membership, which technically, if you were able to do that, would equate to 350,000 membership reward points total. Now, if you looked at these two offers and decided that they aren't as enticing as you thought, you could always metaphorically roll the dice. Utilizing the apply with confidence rule that American Express has, apply for the card on their website, receive a welcome bonus offer, and then decide whether or not to accept that offer depending on if you think it's better than the one on Resi.com. Additionally, another rule to take into consideration if you've never had either card is to make sure to decide whether or not you want to apply for the American Express Gold card first. That's because American Express recently added a clause within their terms of services for the Gold card where it states that you may not be eligible to receive a welcome bonus offer if you have or ever had the Platinum card and its affiliates, meaning the Morgan Stanley Platinum card or the Charles Schwab Platinum card. Next, for a couple of airline related credit cards, the Aeroplane credit card, which is associated with Air Canada, currently has a all-time high welcome bonus offer of 75,000 points after spending $4,000 within the first 3 months of account opening, plus an extra 25,000 points if you can spend $20,000 in the first 12 months of account opening. Air Canada / Aeroplane is one of the best transfer partners you could possibly get amongst all transfer partners, and they consistently run 100,000 point deals for flights from the United States to Japan or Korea, so if you're interested in any of those, maybe consider applying. Additionally, the United Explorer card has a limited time offer of 60,000 bonus miles after spending $3,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. And while I personally do not like airline related credit cards, having United Miles is a great way to unlocking amazing travel opportunities with other notable airline companies like Japan's ANA. And the benefits of the United Explorer card itself, it's hard to beat. And finally, one final notable mention, and that's the limited time welcome bonus offer for the Wells Fargo autograph card, which is a 30,000 bonus point offer after spending $1,500 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. This card is an absolute titan within the cashback space with 6 different ways to earn 3x back on purchases. And there are pretty much confirmed rumors circulating that Wells Fargo will be creating a list of transfer partners as well as new credit cards, and if they're anywhere close to the list that the Built MasterCard has, it may be a force to be reckoned with. And to wrap up this video, make sure to remember that patience is key when applying for credit cards. Make sure to wait for an elevated welcome bonus offer before applying, and remember that completing welcome bonus offers is and will always be the best way in securing a bunch of points and miles without having to spend a ton of money. Make sure to subscribe for monthly content like this. Thank you for watching as always. Stay safe out there, everybody. Peace. For those of you out there that are new to the channel, hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.